Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a look using Model 1 lipstick gel polish collection, the purple series. Right now, if you go on their website, this series is on sale for $32.99. It is typically $42. So here I'm just going in with the extra long stiletto tips because I didn't want to do the glue method or double tip on the nail to do this look. So this always works out. I'm just going in and measuring, and they are still a little bit uneven, but off camera I do go back in and cut them down a little bit more to be even. Here I'm just going in with a file to even out the edge, but like I said, off camera I do go back in and clip the nails down a little bit more because I do realize some are longer than the others. After I do that, I did buff the surface of it. I just feel like gel polish adheres better to nails that have been roughed up. I'm just going in with some alcohol and a no-lint wipe and wiping them down. Here is the purple series. So gorgeous. It comes with its own little lamp, which is perfect for travel. It'll fit inside your bag. And I'm just setting that up and getting myself situated to polish nails. Here you just get to see everything that is included. You get the polishes. It did come with some nail art, a file, a buffer, and some questions that you guys may want to know about the product. And it comes with the starter kit list to let you see everything that's in there and prep steps that you can use to achieve a flawless look. Hopping right in, I am going to go in with the black bottle with the silver cap, which is the base coat, and I'm going to do each nail with the even coat of this. What I do like about Model 1's formula with their gel polish is it doesn't take a lot to achieve the look that you want. Here I just went in one time and I actually did all 4 nails, and these nails are pretty long, so that says a lot about the product. A little bit does go a long way. So like I said, after I go over this step, I do put it inside the lamp and I let it cure until the light turns off, which is, I believe, anywhere between the 30 and 60 second mark. So after I took the hand out of the lamp, I decided to go in with one color on each finger. So I did hop into shade number 2. And I took most of the product off. I wanted to see this color and what it would actually look like on a nail. Excuse me, this wouldn't be a video of mine if I did not go out of frame. So this color here is a very light purple color, as you can see, and that's only with one coat. So after that, I did hop in with shade number 3. And shade number 3, even though this is one coat, this is a very opaque color. I can see myself wearing this with a nice sweater. I just love colors like this for the fall. And like I said, each finger I did go in with just one coat. Now on this next finger, I did go in with shade number 6. This is also a color that came out lighter, and we will build it up. I'm sorry, we will build this color up when we do our second coat. But what I do like about the shade that I have on my pinky and this finger is if you want to go in with a lighter color, you only need one coat. So that's an option for you right there. So lastly, I wanted to dive into this purple. This purple is one that I was most excited about, which is shade number 1. I couldn't wait to try this. And even with one coat, this was unreal how pigmented and how full coverage this color was. So here I'm just going in and I'm blending the shade down. And as you guys can see, like I said, when I put the base coat on with Model 1's gel polish formula, a little bit does go a very long way. That's perfect if you are someone that likes to save product to get a lot out of your product. This is perfect. So this is what the nails are looking like so far. And like I said, this color is gorgeous. We're going to cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. I am trying to go around and clean off the gel polish. So towards the end of this video, my nails may look like they have dirt in them, but I promise you it's just the polish. Okay, after I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, I am going to go back with each shade that I did one coat on. I'm going to add a second coat. What I love about this is that pinky nail really came out very vibrant with the second coat. Like I said, it's always an option if you want to go in one coat and have a lighter color, but it's very nice to have the option of being able to go in and deepen up your colors to your liking. So here, like I said, I'm going in with my second coat for each, so I won't bore you guys. I'll let you see me add the second coat, and I'll come back in when we are doing something different. Okay, now that I'm done with the second coat, I am holding it up, and as you guys can see, these colors are exactly the shade of the colors of the bottle. I just really can't get over how pigmented and how nice these colors are. I'm really excited about using these fall. So the kit does come with some diamonds, so I decided to use those for one of the nails. They come with different shades. You have some hearts, some squiggly, and you also have some round stones. So per usual, I'm just going in with my IBD gel, and then I'm going to dip in the top coat in the black bottle, which has the gold cap at the top, and go over that, blending the product down, but not so much down that I'm taking it away from where I will be adding the stones. So I had no idea what look I was gonna go for. So I know I wanted to use that heart. I'm just going in with a heart and then 2 rhinestones over top of that, and that will be all that I do on the pinky nail. On the next nail, I've been dying to dig into my stones, so I am going to make a flower out of some rhinestones that I have in my collection. So here, per usual, like I said, I go in with the IBD gel just where I know I'm going to be placing the stones to make the flower, and I go back in with the top coat, and I use a top coat layer. That way I don't have to go back in and polish the nail with top coat when I'm done adding the stones. So here I just went in with 1 around purple stones, and I'm just sort of winging it, making a flower. I do alternate between 2 different types of stones to make the petal for the flower. Okay, after I cured that in the lamp, I did hop over to the next finger, and I decided I wanted to put a flower at the tip of the nail. This concept in my head was really cute, but I think I should have went in with much smaller stones, but I did not want to go back down into my nail area, so I just was trying to work with what I have here. Although I like the way it came out, I think it would have been a lot cuter had this been a much smaller flower. So here I'm just going in with a round purple stone, and I am using stones to achieve a flower look like I did in the previous nail. However, I was not able to fit 4 of them on there. It still would have been cute with 3, but I would have liked a lot more had the stones been smaller. So finally, I'm at the last nail, and here I didn't want to do too much just because I do think I have a whole lot going on with the other 3 fingers. So per usual, I just went in with a little IBD gel around the cuticle area, and then I went in with my top coat, and I'm just keeping it simple. I'm just using 3 stones here, and yeah, that's about it. I am going to cure this, and we're going to come back. But shout out to Model 1 because these purple colors have fall and winter written all over them. So beautiful. Here I'm just giving you guys a close-up with a white background so you can see how pretty these colors are, how vibrant they are. The top coat is beautiful and glossy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and I have not got a chance to say hello to you. Welcome, and to my subscribers that always support me, I really do appreciate you guys. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this collection, and I will check you out in my next video. Bye.